everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on internet. The internet is like a super big library on computers. It helps us find information, play games, and talk to friends. The internet connects computers all over the world. It's like a giant web made of lots and lots of tiny threads. You need a special tool called a web browser to explore the internet. You can find pictures, videos, and stories on the internet. People can send messages and emails using the internet. You should be careful and kind when you are on the internet. The internet is always changing and growing with new things to discover. We use the internet for learning, fun, and staying in touch with people we love. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.